Logistics, the term derived from the Greek word logos, which means word, reason, or calculation, is a process of planning, implementing, and controlling an efficient and economically effective flow of raw materials and finished products to satisfy the customer's requirements. Euroterminal Sławków. We will handle your success. Our logistics terminal is situated in the south of Poland, in a special economic zone. It opens the gates to Western Europe, enabling access to our eastern neighbours or much further. Owing to its special location at the westernmost section of the broad gauge railway and the standard gauge railway, Euroterminal Sławków greatly contributes to the development of goods transport from the Far East and Asia to Western Europe. Euroterminal Sławków is situated near the crossing of the pan-European transport corridors connecting the east with the west and the north with the south. The terminal is situated at the edge of the Silesian agglomeration, at an area with a special location relative to main traffic routes in the region, in respect to both road and railway transport as well as air transport. We have excellent connections with the transport network at a domestic and international level, along the Europe-Asia route by means of railway connections, direct connections via an LHS broad gauge line, approximately 400 kilometers long, through the Izów-Hrubieszów border crossing, via Ukraine to the Far East. Access to lines defined in the AGTC agreement. Connections with the railway network in the region. Road connections with the A1 motorway Warsaw-Bielsko-Biała, distance 8 km. With the A4 motorway Katowice-Kraków, distance 10 km. With National Road number 94 Katowice-Kraków, distance 5 km. Connections to airports: Kraków-Balice, distance 57 km. Kraków-Pyrzowice, distance 44 km. The Euroterminal has regular intermodal connections with Polish ports in Gdańsk and Gdynia. The following connections are covered: the container train Maersk Baltic Express connecting the DCT Gdańsk port with the Euroterminal, together with the company Maersk Polska. The container train Baltic Train connecting the container ports in Gdańsk and Gdynia with the Euroterminal, together with the company Baltic Rail. In cooperation with Baltic Rail, Euroterminal also handles regular intermodal connections with the Koper port in Slovenia via the Adriatic train. Within our cooperation framework with partners from Western Europe and Russia, goods in containers are shipped to the east, not just to Russia or Ukraine, but also to South Korea, Afghanistan, Kazakhstan, and many other countries. In cooperation with the Ukrainian State Logistics Center near Kiev, container goods from the west are transported to recipients in Ukraine. Together with the STChem and Transchem companies from the Havila Group, container goods imported from Russia to countries in southern and western Europe are handled. Euroterminal Sławków, in cooperation with the Intermodal Express operator, ships containers from Western Europe to Russia. In addition to services related to intermodal transport, goods handling, protection and shipment services are also provided for. Palletized goods, bulk goods, steel products, and non-standard and oversized goods in direct and indirect connections from broad gauge cars, standard gauge cars and vehicles. The Euroterminal has 2 handling points for unloading bulk commodities such as pellets, salt, grain from hopper cars and from covered cars. We also provide salt packing services into bags from 10 to 50 kilograms on 2 bagging lines with a maximum capacity of 10 tons an hour. To ensure quality and load control, we have a vehicle and train weighing scale, allowing for weighing broad gauge and normal gauge cars. The annual goods handling capacity of the Euroterminal. Containers, 240,000 TEU. Steel products, 380,000 tons. Palletized goods, 200,000 tons. Bulk goods, coal, coke, anthracite, 2 million tons. Bulk goods, salt, pellets, grain, 365,000 tons. The Euroterminal offers storage services for containers, tank containers, swap bodies of semi-trailer containers with a surface area of over 23,000 square meters with a storage capacity of 1,800 TEU. Palletized goods in big bags, sacks and other packaging. For our clients, we have prepared roofed warehouses with a total surface area of 8,000 meters squared. Bulk goods. The Euroterminal offers its clients storage yards for bulk commodities such as coal, coke, anthracite, salt, with a surface area of over 100,000 square meters. We also provide sorting and crushing services for bulk goods such as coal, anthracite and salt. The Euroterminal's offer also includes comprehensive customs services. Customs clearance services are provided in accordance with the marketing authorization procedure, in accordance with the export procedure, in accordance with economic procedures, as well as many other activities which allow for reducing customs procedures for Euroterminal clients to a minimum. The successfully implemented Quality Management System ISO 9001-2008 Quality Policy, a team of highly qualified specialists, technical and IT infrastructure ensure the top quality of the services offered. To meet our clients' growing needs, we continue to extend the range of our services. The location of the Euroterminal at a unique place on north-south and east-west routes and at the most important transcontinental road and railway nodes makes us an excellent transport partner. The comprehensiveness of our services guarantees prompt and secure fulfillment of each order. Euroterminal Sławków. We will handle your success.